20 years of OEM/ODM manufacturing experience not only expands our professional knowledge in product, process, market demand, and industry standards, but also promotes the improvement of our production technology. As these advances progress, we always provide excellent OEM/ODM results. Our 10 advanced production lines can significantly ensure fast production turnover while maintaining accuracy and quality, and 200 employees serving over 220 brands and 65 countries. Production capacity of over 300,000 bathroom accessories per month. Colleagues have Factory BC and ISO 9001 certifications, and their products have passed ETL, UL, CE, RoHS, and SOS certifications. Thanks for watching.